Lunsar is a town in Marampa Chiefdom, Portloco district, in the northwest province of SierraLeone. It is the largest town in Portloco district by population. The estimate of the population of Lunsar is 30,000. The town is one of the main commercial and business hubs in the north of SierraLeone. Lunsar lies approximately 50 miles east of Freetown and about 18 miles southeast of the district capital of Portloco. The inhabitants of Lunsar are largely from the Timni ethnic group. So this is Lunsar town's residential area, as you can see the houses. As we turn around, we can see the beautiful nature that surrounds the town. Here are swamps and a hill covered in green. So there's lots of agriculture going on here. Its most recent history has been an iron ore mining town. The iron ore, for the most part, is set in stone, which forms a huge mountain called Masaboin Hill. As we continue to turn around, we get another view of the town.
अब तो मंजिल तुम्हारी करीब आ गई रोशनी हक की हर समत है छा गई.
This is the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat compound, consisting of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission House and the Ahmadiyya Muslim Central Mosque for Lunsar. So enjoy the view for a while.
सुस्त होने न पाए कदम देखना साथ वालों को भी दम बदम देखना झुकने पाए न हक का अलम देखना झुकने पाए न हक का अलम देखना सर्द सीनों को गरमाओ आगे बढ़ो आओ 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 आगे बढ़ो साए तारीकियों के सिमटने लगे.
We rise from the Ahmadiyya compound and move towards the hills. From here, we can see the area where the mining activities are being carried out in Lunsar. This is said to be an iron ore mine. After being dug out, it is transported through trucks to the seaport to be exported. Now what you see is the clock tower of Lunsar under construction. I am talking about the gigantic round building you see built in the middle of the road. That is the center of the town. From here, this road goes and ends up into the Lunsar-Makini highway. So this is the Lunsar-Makini highway. There is another road here that comes straight up to the clock tower. If we continue to move in this direction, we will be going towards Makini city. From here, there is another road that is, an unpaved road which moves in town. And this one goes all the way straight to the Ahmadiyya compound. Right there. In Lunsar, there are 8 Ahmadiyya mosques with 5 local missionaries with an estimate of 1,645 Ahmadis. The current central missionary in Lunsar is Murabbi Rana Babar Shehzad Sahib. His predecessors were Maulvi Ziaullah Zafar Sahib and Maulvi Naseem Tabassum Sahib. There is also an Ahmadiyya Muslim primary school in this town.
दम बदम मिसले तूफान चढ़ते हुए दम बदम मिसले तूफान चढ़ते हुए संग तस्नीम के आओ आगे बढ़ो.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share the video. Also, please click on the subscribe button to help us grow. And follow us on TikTok and Facebook. And to help us improve, please give us your feedback in the comments below. Jazakallah.
आओ आगे बढ़ो.